The word miracle gets tossed around far too often in the beauty industry. It is a bold, heavy term that sets a bar almost no physical product can actually clear. We see these ads everywhere now. They promise a total transformation in a matter of seconds. They show skin tightening like a drum and wrinkles vanishing as if by magic. The Senzio Miracle Balm is the latest name currently flooding the social media feeds and sparking massive debates. People are desperate to know if it is a legitimate breakthrough or just another case of clever marketing hype. When you strip away the flashy labels, you find a concentrated multitasking balm. It is designed for your face and neck. The formula relies on a blend of moisturizing oils and botanical extracts. It packs in vitamins and antioxidants too. These are good things. These are standard, reliable ingredients for basic skin health. But here is the reality check. Skincare science does not work like a magic wand. You cannot reverse decades of aging overnight with a topical cream. Real change happens deep down in the collagen and elastin layers. Those structures take weeks or months to respond to treatment. Most of what people see as an instant fix is actually just intense surface hydration. When you flood the skin with moisture, it plumps up. The valleys of those fine lines get filled with liquid for a few hours. It looks smoother, sure. It looks more radiant in the mirror right away. But that is a temporary effect. It is not a permanent structural change. It is vital to understand the difference. Looking better is one thing. Changing on a cellular level is another. Feedback from real people is all over the place. Some users absolutely love the luxurious feel. They say it makes their dry patches disappear and gives them a healthy glow. They enjoy the way it glides onto the skin and absorbs relatively fast. It does not feel like a heavy ointment that stays sticky all day. That makes it easy to wear under makeup or as a final step in a night routine. However, others have a completely different experience. They find the formula heavy and greasy. They feel like it just sits on top of their skin without doing much for their actual wrinkles. There is also the price to think about. When a brand uses the word miracle, they usually charge a premium price. You have to ask yourself if that extra cost is worth it. Many basic moisturizers provide similar hydration for a fraction of the cost. If you have sensitive skin, you also need to be careful with these botanical blends. Some people report breakouts or mild irritation after using these concentrated oils. It is not a scam in the sense that it contains real nourishing ingredients. It will hydrate your skin, and it will make you look refreshed. But if you expect it to erase deep lines or replace professional treatments, you will likely be disappointed. It works best as a piece of a larger puzzle. You still need your sunscreen and your consistent routine. It is a solid choice for someone struggling with rough texture or dullness. The antioxidants do provide long-term support against environmental stress. That is a real benefit that adds up over time. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. Marketing language is designed to trigger our emotions and our hopes. It suggests results that go beyond what normal biology allows. If you go into it wanting a high-quality moisturizer that makes your skin feel soft, you will probably be happy. If you are looking for a surgical result in a jar, you are setting yourself up for a letdown. The balm is a tool for comfort and texture. It is not a time machine. It is a moisturizer with a very ambitious name.